Hi guys, I want to talk to you about our assignments. We're coming towards the end of the semester. Only have 3 weeks left, so I want to show you some tricks for getting your assignments done a little bit more quickly, okay? So I'm going to open up our web page and I'll go over to edtechnology.com. Here says you know where this is. And then I'll open up our world history. And then I'm going to go down to our assignment for today. Now, what we've been doing lately is we've been working on the history of socialism. And so here's your assignments. We've got them. This is for last week and for today. But you have a video and then you have the assignment. What you want to do is you watch the video, you want to take notes. And then when you go to do the assignment, I've actually made them so they're not really that difficult. This one even has a study guide for you to take notes on while you're watching the video. But just watch the video, take some notes, and then do the assignment. It's pretty simple. You can always go back with them. If you're doing one of these other assignments, notice that this chapter 11, for example, and chapter 10 and the rest of them, they have each chapter has a PDF associated with it. So let's take this first chapter up here, say 11.1. I'm going to open up the PDF for 11.1, and this is actually the PowerPoint that I used to make the movie for that. And here's the Age of Imperialism, and it's got all the information in there. And then I'm going to go back over to Ed Technology, and I'm going to go and I'm going to open up World History again, and I'm going to open up the quiz for that chapter. So we'll go down to, where was it, 11.1, guys? There we go, 11.1. We opened up the PDF. Now I'm going to open up the quiz. So there's the quiz on one side. All I have to do is open up the quiz. Here are the questions. And you just flip over to the PowerPoint, excuse me, and look up the PowerPoint for that. And look up the answers in the PowerPoint. So all the questions can be answered right from the PowerPoint. The answers come right out of the PowerPoint. So you want to watch the movie, because if you watch the movie, and even if you take a couple notes while the movies are usually never more than 5 or 10 minutes long. And you can watch that, and then you really should be able to just blow through this test. But you can always use the PowerPoint as a source for getting the answers out. If there's anything I can do to help you guys to get up, we're running out of time, so jump in there. I'm always usually in that meeting room every day, so jump over and we'll see what we can do to get you going here. Okay, guys? Good luck.